solve it for x, and we are given 5 to the power of 2x minus 6 times 5 to the power of x plus 5 equals 0. As we see here, we are given an equation which has got exponential exponent. So we will give this one a name which is called exponential equation, because of that x in the exponent. So now if we look carefully this, we see like it's something that we know. So I gonna write this one in standard form in order to show you what is this. So we're gonna say this equals 5 to the power of x all square minus 6 times 5 to the power of x plus 5 equals 0. Now if you look carefully, we see we have a quadratic equation that you normally know how to work it out. And keep in mind, this equation must get two solutions, because that's why we call it quadratic equation. So in order to solve it for x, I will rewrite this in terms of m to make it much easier. So I will therefore say this equals m square minus 6m plus 5 equal to 0. Then I will factorize and solve it for m. Then I will come back to solve my exponential equation. So now we have m squared minus 6m plus 5. In order to factorize this, let's look at our constant term plus 5. And we need to find a way that we can get negative 6 using the constant term. The constant term has got factors. One of the factors that has got is 1 times 5. So 5 can be written 1 times 5. Well done. The coefficient of m squared is only 1. Forget and ignore it. So now which way can we get minus 6 if we add these two factors? Yes, if we add 1 to 5, we will get 6. No. If we add minus 1 plus minus 5, this will give us minus 6. Therefore, our factors will be m minus 1 times m minus 5. Now we can solve it for m, and we will put each factor equal to 0. Therefore, we're going to start with the factor m minus 1. M minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, our first factor gives us m equals 1. The second factor, which is m minus 5, will be m minus 5 equal to 0, which gives us our m equals 5. Now we did solve it for m. Let's take the solution for m and get our exponential equation. 5 to the power of x, and let's say it equal to 5 or 5 to the power of x equals 1, because we get two values for m, 1 or 5. Now let's work it out. In order to solve it for the exponential equation, remember the rules. We must have power equal to power. We're gonna therefore say 5 to the power of x equals 5 to the power of 1, because the 5 has got a goes to 1. So now we have power equal to power, and the bases are the same. The method telling us now drop the bases. If you drop the bases, we have x equals 1. Well done. First solution, our x equals 1. Or 5 to the power of x, we say it equals 1. Now on this side, we must have power equal to power. So how can we rewrite 1 as a power? Yes, 1 can be rewritten as a power using 5 to the power of x equals 5 to the power of 0, because 5 to the power of 0 just equals 1. Now we have same base, power equal to power. So what do we need? Drop the bases. Therefore, our x equals 0 for m equals 1. So now, our solution is for the x is x equals 1 or x equals 0. Then you are done. So keep in mind, whenever you see something like this, just one sample can help you to work it out. Thank you.